Oh, go say hi to the new video. Hey, hello, hello. Okay, he wants to be put down. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to today's video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. Today is gonna be a different video, and as you guys see from the title, I got my first Rolex. Kind of crazy, right? Now, in one of my old videos, I think I did a video on like, what would you do with $100,000, right? And I think one of them was to buy myself a Rolex. I think I mentioned that. I don't remember clearly.
Next thing I would buy with, $5,000 to $10,000 is gonna be a Rolex. Honestly, I would get a Rolex because I'm definitely a fan of luxury watches. I've always wanted a luxury watch. I value my time a lot.
But it was always a goal of mine this year for 2020, ever since the beginning of the year. I told myself if I reached my goal of breaking $500,000 in my business in the last 12 months, I will go get myself a Rolex. And ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, full refresh, that is almost $550,000 right there in the last 12 months. So we did it, we won, we got the big goal, and I'm very, very happy. We still have a lot left of December, some major days for December, so I'm pretty damn happy about that. But because of that milestone, that huge milestone, I decided to get myself a valuable timepiece. This is a Rolex Datejust, and I'll throw some B-roll on this real quick. But a Rolex, I've always loved watches. I've always appreciated watches, and a Rolex was just one of those iconic pieces that's kind of like, you gotta have one of them. Like if you're gonna have watches, you gotta have one of them. I like other brands like Omega, and APs, the Tech, don't even get into those. But a Rolex is one of those iconic watches that I really wanted as my first luxury watch, and something that I'm gonna basically carry for the rest of my life and pass down to my children. It's just gonna be a very memorable moment. So this watch is very, very important to me and very valuable to me because it gives me a reminder of the importance of my own time, what I'm capable of, and also what I've accomplished so far as well. So you always want to stop and smell the roses, but also keep pushing forward and don't stop and stay there, right? So it's just a good reminder of all the things in my life that I've been able to do, and also it tells time, so that's a good bonus. I was definitely stuck on debating on what kind of Rolex watch I was gonna get. I didn't know if I wanted like a Submariner, which is a very, very classic one, or a Datejust or anything like that. And I decided I wanted something a little bit more on the classy side, a little bit more versatile, not something that was too sporty. I think the Submariner was a bit too sporty for me, something I will get in the future, but something that was a little bit more versatile was this Rolex Datejust. And so this Rolex Datejust has like this gray face with a 18 karat gold white bezel around the face and around the turning knob as well. I have the oyster bracelet as well, and it came out to be a pretty hefty watch. It was definitely a big investment, but it was nonetheless so worth it, and I'm just so in love with it. Every day I look at this watch and I just think it's a piece of beauty, and I'm just so grateful and so thankful. And I'm not showing you this, guys, just to show off or anything like that, or be this person that's flaunting out materialistic items or anything like that. It's really just to share my experience, to be honest, because that's all what my channel's about, is just sharing my progress, sharing my experience, you guys getting to know me and stuff like that, and just you guys seeing what's possible out there if this is the kind of stuff you like and you want, because I do like stuff. I like materialistic things. I get it from my mom. She really loves that kind of stuff. So I have a little taste for luxury, and I really love this kind of stuff, and I really appreciate these kind of stuff. And I'm very, very grateful, very, very thankful. So this Rolex Datejust is a beautiful watch. Of course, it tells you what date it is, so I'll never forget what day it is. And I'm terrible with dates sometimes. So it is the 14th. It is almost 1 p.m. It's a beautiful time. It's a beautiful day. It's a great day to be grateful and blessed. So will this be my only watch? No, I'm definitely gonna start collecting watches over the years. Definitely gonna be an expensive hobby, but it's not something I'm gonna get like on a yearly basis or something like that. It's just gonna be something I get over time. I'm still young, I'm only 24 years old. I have a lot of years to collect watches as time goes on. So I will be collecting them as I go on. And I would like to have like a full-on watch box collection, have like 7, 8 watches, one for every day of the week. Like that'd be freaking awesome. So that is kind of where I'm at with all of that. And this is my new baby. This is my Rolex Datejust. So really grateful, man. I'm really grateful. I'm really thankful. We're gonna finish this year strong, but next year we have a lot more to do, a lot more projects to do as well. And we're gonna push for the moon and the stars and the skies and Uranus. You know what it is. I got Oogie in the back there just being a weirdo. By the way, shout out to Rolex in South Coast Plaza. It is a legit Rolex boutique. I think it's one of the best sellers in the entire nation. I think they're like the main sellers or the only store or something like that. But anyways, great people in there, very, very nice people. I went in there multiple times. I waited a few months for this baby right here. So it was quite a wait. It was quite the wait. It was not something where you could just buy immediately and then it's all good, you know? So shout out to the people out at Rolex in South Coast Plaza. If you guys want a Rolex, go ahead, check them out. Of course, I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. That wouldn't make any sense. That'd be really cool though. Maybe one day. But that's today's video. That's it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. Just nothing crazy, nothing too wild. That's today's video. So I hope you guys have a good one. I hope you guys are inspired, motivated, and I hope you guys continue to keep pushing it up. So I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, go get that money, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.